All right. So our frequently asked question for today is, I leak urine if I cough or sneeze. What is that? I hear a lot of women and some men complaining about issues with leaking when they cough or sneeze. This is something called stress urinary incontinence. What often happens when we cough or sneeze, there's a large increase in the amount of pressure in our bellies that are pushing on some of the muscles at the bottom of our abdomen called our pelvic floor. And so if there is some issues going on with either the strength or the length of some of these bottom pelvic floor muscles, when that pressure increases, these muscles often can't respond in the appropriate way. And if they're not responding properly, then leaking can happen. This is fairly common in women after pregnancy or as we get older, or men who have gone through some sort of prostate issue. Common, but not normal. This isn't something that women should feel like they need to live with, or men should feel like they need to live with, because there are rehab options, or you can talk to your physician about some of the medical options to help with this type of condition. All right, that is our frequently asked question for today. Check out the blog at staveoff.ca/blog. And if you haven't yet, check out the Facebook page. We'll see you next week. Bye, guys.